Good morning, everybody. What we happen to have here on our test stand is a 383 Chevy Chauffeur engine. This one is advertised at 450 horsepower. Again, all of our engines are custom designed and built in-house. This one happened to feature the March Serpentine kit. This one was painted a nice corporate blue. Features our Edelbrock heads, eagle rotating assembly. All of our engines are built with roller camshafts on our exclusive edition engines. We do have a lower grade of engines if you'd like, but this one happens to feature a roller. This has an Edelbrock carb and MSD distributor. You can check out our video. If you're interested in any one of our packages, 1-800-267-3940. Enjoy the video. Thank you.